Now we're ready.
We're ready! Yay!
Hi everybody, today we are cooking. It is Dori and Mama's cooking show. Dori, say hello.
Hello.
Say we're gonna cook.
See you later.
Yeah! What are we cooking today?
Some rice.
Some rice?
Yeah.
Okay, first let's show the bag. Let's do that first. So this is called a chef's plate bag. There's all kinds of companies like this here where they send you pre-packaged ingredients and you cook the recipe yourself at home. We've just been trying these out lately because there's been a lot of good deals, a lot of good promotions. So we'll see what we've got today, huh? Let's see what's in the bag. Oh, we need to wash our hands first. Let's wash our hands. Let's do that first. Should I wash my hands first or you?
Me.
You first? Okay. All right, come on, buddy. Wash your hands. Other one? Dry them off. So before we cook, we want to roll up our sleeves. Can we do that? Wait.
What of your sleeves?
I did. I rolled them up already. Okay. All right. Let's see what's in the bag.
Are you not both?
You look. Yeah.
What is?
So this is the recipe that we're making today. It's jalapeno and beef tacos. I have to warn you that I am no chef. If you're a professional chef watching this, maybe you should just not watch this because I'm going to embarrass myself.
Okay, all gone.
All gone? Okay. I'll put this in the recycling. Dori, what are you peeling right now?
Onion.
An onion. Yeah, onions. Dori's gonna peel the onions. You can put them...
Not yet.
Not yet. Then I will cut them on the cutting board. This is a cutting board.
I have a cutting board too.
You have a cutting board too, that's right.
I cut it off. Can I put this in the compost?
Yeah, I can put it in the compost. Thank you. We put the food scraps in the compost.
This is my house. Yeah, this is my house.
These are tomatoes. Can you say tomato?
Tomato.
Good job. Sometimes we have a hard time telling the difference between tomato and potato, right?
A potato?
Yeah, potatoes are bigger, they're brown or white or purple.
And red.
Yeah, tomatoes are red. Okay, so let me wash these, and we're gonna wash these too. What are these called?
What is?
Peppers, jalapenos.
Yeah, spicy.
They're spicy. The produce is washed. Also in our bag here, we've got shredded cheddar cheese and some shredded cabbage. It comes with this recipe card that lists all of the ingredients and how to cook it, of course. And so the first thing that we need to do according to this is to peel and then cut the onion. We're gonna cut the tomato, we're gonna cut the jalapenos, and then we're gonna cook the beef mixture. Should I make it spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah? We're gonna add the chili cumin spice blend, some salt and pepper, the tomato sauce blend. All of these things go together to make the meat, and then we'll warm up the tortillas, and that's pretty much it. We don't do anything complicated around here. Dori has this apron on, but Mama does not. Now we're ready.
We're ready! Yay!
The thing about cutting onions is that sometimes they make us cry, right, Dori? Sometimes cutting onions, we start to cry. But not this time. This time we're not gonna cry, we're gonna be strong.
So this is sad too?
No, those don't make us sad.
Does it make sense?
Those make us sad sometimes. Sometimes they make us cry. So we've got the jalapenos cut, we've got the tomatoes cut, and we just need to cut the onions. Okay, let's do that. Dori, do you like cooking?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like helping Mama cook?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is this.
This is your favorite food?
Yeah.
Look at this, beautiful. We've got our chopped tomatoes, chopped jalapeno peppers, and chopped onions ready to go. High five.
5, 1.
Okay, we need a pan. In a large nonstick pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil over medium-high heat. Okay? When the pan is hot, add beef, jalapenos, and onions. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes, breaking up beef into smaller pieces until no pink remains. Good idea. Add chili cumin spice blend, which is this, and tomato sauce base. Season with salt, cook for 1 minute, stirring often until fragrant. Remove the pan from heat.
This is oil.
This is oil.
I'll put the oil in.
You want to put the oil in? Okay. Okay, ready? Woo! good job. Don't touch this though, because why? Don't touch this because it's hot, right? Yeah, we can't touch this because it's very, very hot and you'll get burned if you touch it. Okay.
I'm picking my nose.
You're picking your nose. Hey, no picking your nose in the kitchen.
My teeth? No, this is beef.
This is cabbage. This is cabbage. Cabbage, yeah.
This is yummy.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Really spicy.
Making it spicy, yeah.
Dad!
Next, Dory's gonna put in the tomato sauce base.
It's so yummy this.
So yummy.
Like a big bit.
It looks like a poo-poo.
Yeah.
We're gonna take this mix, we're gonna put it in the tortilla, and then we're gonna take this chipotle sauce and we're gonna put it on top of the tacos. Yeah, it's all mixed. It's all mixed together. And so now the next steps are just to plate the tortillas, put the taco mix in them with some shredded cheese, some chipotle sauce, and some tomatoes. Oh, and some shredded cabbage. And that's it. And then we have ourselves a nice, beautiful taco. Does that sound good?
Yeah. I'm tired.
You're tired?
Oh, I'm gonna sit down and do it.
Okay.
Huh?
So me and Dori are gonna sit down here and eat our dinner in a second.
Eat a dinner.
Yeah! I've mentioned before on this channel that listening to real spoken English, practicing authentic English is really important. And in this next video, I'm gonna let you practice that even more. So make sure you check out this one right now. The finished product. Not too bad. Good job, buddy. High five.